Welcome to Fortuna. After adding your inventory individually or in bulk, the next step is publishing your product to Temu. First, confirm it's in your inventory. Go to Inventory, then click View and Edit to see your product list. Now let's publish a product. Go to Listing. This section shows all your added products. Find the one you want to publish. If the status is inactive, click Actions to open product details. Scroll down to the Attributes section. Select all mandatory fields. Incorrect or missing info here may prevent publishing. Click Save Attribute. Once saved, the specification section will show as complete. Next, open the Variations tab. Click Actions and add details. Click Save. Now both specification and variation sections are marked complete. Choose your shipping template. Once selected, the Publish button becomes active. Click Publish. The system will process your product. Once done, you'll see a confirmation and receive a goods ID. Click it to view the live product on Temu. If needed, click Make Inactive to unpublish. That's it. Fortuna makes product publishing fast, clean, and effortless. Thanks for watching. Fortuna. Turn clicks into fortune.